Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you, it's kind of upside down, fruit for thought. So per my usual, I have no idea how much this box costs. It'll be on the screen. Just also real quick, I don't know when this video is going up. At this point, I've completely lost track of my videos. So I don't know if you'll get this video right before I leave for Paris or as a filler if I don't have a vlog to upload in Paris, or when I get back from Paris as a filler for when I'm trying to recover from traveling. I have no idea at this point where this video is going up, but if it's before Paris, you still have time to, if it's before or during Paris, you still have time to sign up for the giveaway that is going on, the two-part giveaway. Also, there is other information down below if you care to read it. Let's get into this box. So I open it up and this is what I see, and I see a peach. That's cute. What is that? I think that's a peach. It looks like a peach. It's just like a little paper clip peach, so I'm assuming maybe it's a bookmark. That's super cute. I needed a bookmark. Aw. Oh, and then, you know, the paper. So I rip it open and everything is falling out. Does this have the stuff? Yep. So what's in the box, and it says August Peaches and Cream. I don't think it lists the prices though. And I'm seeing notes on these things that says only in full-size box. I have no idea what size box I get. You guys know me. I'm pretty freaking brain dead when it comes to the cost and what size I got and blah, blah, blah. So it looks like we have a recipe for peaches and cream fruit pizza. I'm pretty particular about the things I put in my mouth, so I'm not entirely, I'm sure it's like a dessert pizza. Maybe we'll try it. I don't know. I mean, I do like peaches. It shows blueberries. So, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But you know what? If you guys want to try it, actually, can you even see that? You can see that, right? If you guys would like to try this, pause the screen and take a screenshot or whatever. But there you go. Cool. Okay. So the next thing I am seeing on top here is a bunch of little candies. So I'm assuming they're maybe like peach mints or something. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will throw those in my purse. I always like a little candy or a little mint or things of that nature in my purse on long flights. Let's see. So the next thing I am pulling out is Flower Pot Tea Company Sun-Kissed Peach Flavored Blooming Tea. And there are 4 wrapped tea blooms. That's cool. I love tea. Absolutely love tea. And then the next thing I am pulling out is Be in a Good Mood Hopeful Sweet Peach Car Fragrance. That does smell pretty good. Let's see. Okay, that might not be too overwhelming, so that's nice. I'm down for that. Cool. And this is generally one of my favorite boxes. Yeah, I would say that this box is probably in my top 5. And I think don't quote me on this either, but I think I found it through Abadabs. I'm not 100% sure on that, but you know how my brain works. So the next thing I am pulling out is a Ruby Fizz Soap House in the color peach. And I think that will actually be super cute. I can't smell it through the packaging, but I will actually, since it is all nicely wrapped, I'll take this as my soap on vacation. So that's awesome. And the next thing I am pulling out is Tupperware. That's cool. I'm not mad at it. So let's see. Let's open it. Yeah, let's open it and see what all is in it. Fresh containers, 3-piece. Says Pezzy. I don't know what a Pezzy is. But the lids, that's cute. The lids have little fruits on them. And so, okay, so it's just 3-piece containers, storage containers. That's nice. I absolutely love having matching containers. We used to be one of those people that would not have matching containers, and it would just drive me insane to try to keep it organized. So one day I threw out all of our containers, every last one of them, and bought a lot of matching ones. So I'm not mad at that either. The next thing I am pulling out is, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a shampoo bar. That's cool. And I can actually smell that through the packaging. So that is nice. And I'll take this on vacation too. Wow, this come at a really good time. So it's a solid shampoo. It is the newest way to wash your hair for perfect travelers. Simply rub over wet hair and use fingertips to massage and lather. That's perfect. Wow, I am super happy I got this box before I left. And then the last thing I am pulling out is Peaches and Cream Dip Mix. Okay, I'm not mad at it. So, simple to prepare, ingredients needed. Peaches and cream dip mix, 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, and a cup of sour cream. That's great. Okay, you guys, so again, I think this is a great box. We got quite a few things for the kitchen. And then we got some travel soaps, shampoo and soap for vacation. Got a bookmark for vacation because I love to read on the plane. A car thingy, what's it called? Sniffer thingy. Air freshener for the car. And a recipe that we might try. So, great box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day.